Good morning, welcome to our blow molding department. Today I'm going to demonstrate and give an overview of the materials we use in our workshop. The reaction mechanism of polymerization, the applications of the HDPE and different types of processes. First, let's go over the polymerization. It consists of 3 steps. The first step is the initiation. The second is the propagation or elongation. The third step is the termination. The first step is where the molecule, the ethylene molecule, roams around, and there will be the catalyst we use, the metallocene catalyst. It is a first class of Zagranata catalyst. The molecule and the metallocene reaction will go in such a way that the ethylene molecule will break, the catalyst will break the ethylene bond into one bond, which is the sigma bond. As for this, the ethylene will go to something similar to this. After that, there will be, this was the first step, which is the initiation. The second step is the elongation or the propagation. It's the molecules joining together and forming a long chain molecule with many repeating units. For this process, it goes on and on and on until there will be a free radical created in the around the chain, will join, and that will be the last step, which is the termination. The radical will be a methyl atom or a hydrogen atom. It will go and will be placed on the last molecule. The methyl will join the last molecule, and seals the elongation or the polymerization, and finally you will get your metallocene catalyst back. And after that we will go over the requirements for polymerization. The polymerization requires unsaturated components such as alkene or alkyne, and referred to as olefins, because it's easier to break double bonds than the single bond, the sigma bond, as we said, or even the triple bonds will be easier than the sigma bond. And due to the toughness of the sigma bond, it will take a lot of time to process, and which will lead to a cost, a high process cost. The benefits of a catalyst is that we can use it again, and mainly increases the speed of reaction of the polymerization, and we can get a specific type of polymer by modifying the molecules from homopolymer to copolymer, from syndiotactic to atactic, and for that we can get a lot of grades of polyethylene.